in. Shut up, Ron McDonald. Alright, hey guys, Luigi in here, and today I'm playing Five Nights at Max 9 Remaster.
It's me, BoyBlam, talking in the video.
Oh my god, I'm going crazy. Alright, continue. Ah, night 2! Woohoo! I'm also drinking a strawberry chocolate milkshake.
And watch out for Hamburglar. He moves in the second night.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe I should update that thumbnail and Scratch.
Go ahead. Alright, we're back!
You're a cat. You're a cat now.
Yes, I know.
Remember?
Yeah, I know that. It's Grimace, aka Fatty Grimace. The Game Salmon! Taste Gaming!
Oh my god, it's Taste Gaming.
Oh, Max.
It's Moon Fight. It's Moon. Moon Face.
Doop, doop, doop.
You might remember those Scratch. You might remember those computers that has Scratch codings.
Yeah, I remember you guys really wanted to see more of this. I want some chicken nuggets.
I want those. I want that Coke.
It might be poison.
Oh, never mind.
Just kidding. I'm joking. I'm joking.
Okay.
What a great taste. Ah, hey, Mac.
Oh no, Mac tonight's moving.
He already came to the door. At least I played that sound. Press Ash? Oh yeah. Do you know the next you used to joke saying? Oh, hi, Hamburglar.
Oh, Hamburglar. Hamburger.
I am very hungry for your burgers. Your burgundy burgers.
Yeah, give me your hamburgers so I can have
Where's
one.
Mac?
Oh yeah, dude, I forgot to tell you.
Where's Mac? Where's Mac? Stop it, Ronald.
Don't even think about
Get out of here, Ronald. Go back to your room.
Go back and fight Logan Paul. Remember?
Oh, hi, Hamburglar. Hi. Mackie! Mackie boy,
Oh,
which is
God.
Mac tonight. Oh, my.
Moon Pie is coming.
Crap.
Moon Pie.
Where's he?
It's Moon Pie.
Okay. If I see that light flicker, that means he's at the drive-thru. If I hear that, that door open, that means he's at that door. Right there. I'm gonna check the cameras. Hi, Hamburglar. Hi.
Come here, Moon Pie.
Get out of here! You're at the drive-thru window.
Yeah, get out of here,
Hi, Hamburglar.
Moon Pie.
Oh my god.
Hi, Burger Stealer.
You have to deactivate Grimace from trying to get the fat Grimace.
Alright, you have to deactivate it. Okay.
Oh my god. That was a close one when Mac Knight was at that door, right?
It's 3 a.m. Okay.
Oh!
You said it, Ronald.
Oh, hi, Mac tonight!
Ronald. Belly, don't even think about
What?
watching this part. That Ronald said.
Where's Mac tonight?
Moon Pie, where are you, Moon Pie?
Oh, that was a good strawberry chocolate milkshake. Alright. It tasted like a smoothie.
Yeah, it tastes like Mac Tonight smoothie. Get your smoothies on the right, because tonight we're
Hold on.
drinking-
I'm getting a call from a friend. I'm getting a call from a friend. I was getting a call from a friend.
Okay.
I'm gonna call him later. I was getting a call from a friend.
Okay.
He's about to go. Shut up, Mac tonight.
Yeah, shut up, move by.
Ah, get out of here! Are you out of there, Hamburglar? Is he out?
Where are you, Ham?
Oh, he's back there. Yes.
Look up, Burger Stealer's coming.
Burger Stealer. AKA the baby tooth man. The baby tooth man. The baby tooth man. Hamburglar, AKA. Wait, where is he? Hamburglar, AKA the baby tooth man. There's the Hamburglar. Look at Hamburglar, aka the baby tooth man.
Come here, baby tooth man. Baby tooth man. You need to go to jail.
The baby tooth man. I'm laughing. The baby tooth man.
On the McDonald's characters. First, a creepy clown. Next, the demonic chicken. Fatty fat purple dude. Baby tooth. Burger Stealer. And moon pie. And a big face burger. Which is Mayor McCheese.
Where's Mac tonight?
Ronald McDonald with the butcher knife and a rainbow colored mohawk.
Let's get it.
Hey, look at the time, dude.
5 a.m.
Oh, we're gonna do this. We're gonna beat Moon Pie's face and turn his face into cookies.
Cookie dookie.
Cookies. We're gonna turn his face into cookies, and I'll steal his sunglasses. I might need to edit that thumbnail.
Oh, okay. At least Mac tonight's not there. Let's go! Let's get it!
6 a.m. weed. And now we have to be quiet because there's another cutscene going on.
Yes! Let's go! We did it!
Right, okay. I understand. Thank you. This can't be happening. A few hours ago, she just collapses. I quickly got her to the hospital. The doctor said I was gonna have to leave her there for a while. Now I get a call. Said she didn't fucking make it. It must have been because she'd gone without food for so long. And it's his fault. He just had to blow all of his money on these pieces of scrap metal instead for his own workers. He's gonna get it. For the cause of her. Just watch.
Alright! So basically, I think he was crying because his daughter had to stay in the hospital for a while. Well, anyways, guys, hope you like that gameplay. Find us with Mac tonight, remastered. See you in the next video. Peace out, everybody. BoyBlam wants to say it as well.
Okay, no. Anyways, guys, subscribe to both of our channels.
Yeah.
BoyBlam's channel and Luigi's channel
And
Kelly's channel. Okay.
Alright, bye.